Whose boat do you want to get on?
Captain Chris.
Captain Chris, Gracie, do you like going on the boat?
Yeah.
Yeah?
It's so much fast. Yeah, and you put out the rope and splash around. Oh, and dash out the water.
Wow-wee.
What?
And what do you wear when you go on the boat?
A life jacket.
A life jacket?
Yeah, and then a better view of the food. Let me show you. Watch this.
What are you doing? Are you swimming?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm jumping like this.
Wow.
And we hold on to the rings of the side of the holder rope, and then you hold on tight, and then splash in the water.
So how do you ask nicely for Captain Chris to take us on the boat?
Please.
Mwah!